My name is Sardinas. I'm an international speaker, entrepreneur, best-selling author, and empowerment, public speaking, and leadership coach. If you're an entrepreneur who wants to escape the endless cycle of business failure, or you want to start your own business but you're afraid of failure or your lack of resources to start, maybe you need more confidence, maybe you need more focus, maybe you need more vision, and you want to escape this very disappointing situation. Maybe you want to get more value for your work. Maybe you want to scale your business. Maybe you want to improve your leadership skills. There is always a quantum leap that will take your life and your business to the next level. Maybe you want an opportunity to empower yourself, to get more confidence or monetize your knowledge. An opportunity to overcome failure and start succeeding. The reason why thousands of people come to our events is because we offer entertaining events that empower you to succeed and thrive in the path you have chosen. We have hundreds and hundreds of positive reviews. If you want more confidence, more focus, more vision, if you want to scale your business, if you want to start to monetize your knowledge, if you want to transform your business and take your life to the next level, then I suggest that you spare us with some of your time. I look forward to seeing you at the event. It is the most exciting and innovative business event in the UK today. Thousands of people have attended our events. People from United Kingdom, Ireland, Germany, Switzerland, United States, Turkey, Singapore, Mexico, Peru, and many other countries have come to our events where you too can make a quantum leap in your life and business. And I look forward to meeting you personally at the event. Reserve your seat today.